Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we will be looking at how you can implement character length validation in your Canvas Power App. So for example, on Twitter, how you can enter only a certain number of characters in your tweet box and post that you are not able to submit that, we will implement the same thing here. So to mimic that, let's say I have a text box, I have a label, and then I also have a button. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So the name of my text box is message, then my label is called as char length, and finally my button, I'm just calling it as submit. So the first thing that we need to do here is to go and select the char length or the counter and change the property of the text to the number of characters to be shown. So default it will look like this, but we have to add some logic to it. So we will subtract the length, that is len function. So in length function we will enter the message dot text. So whatever is the length of the text box at any given point of time, subtract that number from 60, right? So let's say 60 is my limit that I want to, could be anything in your case. So let's save this app and try to run it. So if I go ahead and play, and as I start typing, the number will be subtracted like that. So once you enter your text, the number will keep on subtracting from the counter, and that's how you'll know the limit. Now we should also visually indicate that the limit has exceeded. So let me go back to my char length variable again, and in the color attribute what I will be doing is adding a condition that if the length of the text is well within the limits, like if length, sorry, not message, if length of the message box dot text is over 60, is over greater than 60, then turn that same text into red color, setting color here, so it's available for me to select, else keep it black, right? And that's it. Let's also disable the button because that is a part of the validation. So I go to my button, and in the display mode property of the button, I will add a condition that if, in similar way, if the length of the message dot text is well under 60, that is it is less than 60, then keep it editable. So the mode that I'm setting here is display mode dot edit, so that it's editable, else disabled, so that as I type and as it exceeds the limit, the button should be disabled unless and until I am within 60 limit. So let me save this thing and let me run it. So now I will start entering some text, sample text to demonstrate, and as you can see, as I'm typing, the length is getting reduced. I will reach 1 or 0 and stop to show how the validation will take place. So as you can see, as I reach 0, the submit button is disabled and the red mark or the red text also appears because I am exceeding limit. Ideally the limit should be, even at 0 you should be able to submit. So let me change this a little. Either I can make it 59 or I can make it less than or equal to 60, right? So if I save this again and let's do the same test. So it's already there. So I'll just try to remove some characters and see that if at 0 the button is enabled again. Yes, so that works. So I hope this quick video was useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.